To favorite a post, we need to be able to send a request from the view. So for that, I'll just go to Solution Explorer, then inside the views, we have Shared, Home, and then Post. And here let us search for the Favorite button. Just scroll down. This is the comment section, and this is the favorites part. Now, in here we have said that the only value that we need to pass to the action is going to be the post ID. So let us wrap the A tag inside a form, and the request will be sent to the controller home. The action is going to be toggle post favorite, and the only value that we're going to send is going to be the value of the model.id, and the model in this case is a post. So type is going to be hidden because we don't want to expose the IDs to the users. And then the value is going to be at model.id, and the name, which is the property name that we have also set up in the backend side or in the controller side, is going to be post ID. Now let us also copy this A tag. We are going to now change this from an A tag to a button and set the type to submit, because whenever we click this button, we want to send a post request to this controller, this action, and just pass this value. I already put a breakpoint in the home controller. Let us just save all the changes and run this project. And here, if I scroll down and then click this button, you'll see that I get request, and in the post favorite VM, I do have the post ID 6. Let us just check if this user has already favorited this post. He has not. So we just go create a new object, add it to the context, and save it in the database. If I continue, this means that this post now was favorited, but if I check the icon, you can see that the icon has not changed the color. And that is what you'll learn on the next part.